Welcome to the Barely Funny Carpenter. Today we got a great video on my top 5 affordable gifts for the DIY / handy dad. The gifts range from $115 at the top end all the way down to my favorite tool in the entire world at just $9 Canadian. That'll be my number one pick. If you got any suggestions of your own, I'd love for you to put them in the comments. The more ideas, the better. And hey, stick around to the end of the video where I'll put on the mildly hilarious outtakes. There's a lot of them. So gift number 5 on the affordable gift list is the Wera Craft Form 6-piece screwdriver set. So this set goes for about $35 Canadian, 25 bucks American. You can get it at KMS Tools. I'll put an Amazon link in the description. Now this would be perfect for the dad that just has a misfit collection of screwdrivers. His screwdrivers are all over the place, and maybe they're from the 1980s. They're just a cheap collection. Maybe your dad only has just like one of those multi screwdrivers. Some of the bits might be missing. This would be perfect for him. Comes in a great little case here that you can just bolt onto anywhere in your garage, and then they all stay together. They come with laser etching on the edge there just for extra grip with screws and prying things apart. And yeah, they're super lightweight. And the handle's phenomenal. They're insulated, so they're protecting against electrical shock. They're guaranteed for life, so you know they're rugged. Affordable gift number 4 on the list, the GGG-Ripper from Micojig. This is a special push stick for a table saw. This thing is about 85 bucks Canadian, 70 US, which is a little pricey for a push stick, but this is pretty amazing. So who would this be for? Does your dad own a table saw? Is he perhaps already missing a couple fingers? This little jig would be perfect. This thing is great for cutting small, awkward pieces on the table saw. Truth be told, you can never really have enough push sticks for your table saw. You don't want your dad to lose any more fingers. Get him one of these Micojigs. This thing is a finger saver. And number 3 on the list, the Tekton Imperial and Metric wrench set. Now, these wrenches were 115 bucks Canadian. I ordered them off Amazon Prime about a year ago. I'll put the link in the description. So who would these be for? Does your dad currently have a wrench set? If he doesn't, these will make him happy. Now, I'm not a big wrench set type of a guy. I don't really work on vehicles or anything, but these things come in handy. I use them for working on bikes. I use them for disconnecting water lines, whatever type of wrenching situations you have. I mean, not that it really matters what a wrench looks like, but they're a beautiful wrench. It's a mirror finish on there. It's like your typical chrome vanadium type wrench. In terms of the wrenching ability, pretty good in my opinion. Yeah, in the past, I've just pretty much used the adjustable wrenches, which never really fit on things the way you might like. And the number 2 affordable gift on the list, the Franklin 710 stud sensor. This thing's magic. You can get this thing for about 55 bucks American and about 70 bucks Canadian. You can buy these on Amazon. I'll put the links in the description. The best place to get them in Canada is KMS Tools. They usually go on sale for about 70 bucks Canadian. Flies back. Okay, he is terrorizing me. Yeah, this thing is the gold standard of stud sensors. Yeah, I wish I'd been using these my whole life. I've spent a lot of time using the little push button ones that you have to calibrate, and then they light up as you hit the edge of the stud, and very inaccurate. This is definitely the way to go. Who would this be for? Anyone that doesn't have one of these would love to have one of these. This is so much easier than using a regular stud finder. And the number 1 affordable gift is my all-time favorite tool, the 10-inch Richards Little Red Pry Bar. Yeah, you can get these at the Home Depot for I think $8.50 Canadian, 9 bucks, probably like 5 or 6 bucks American. They sell them at paint stores. They sell them pretty much everywhere. And this, like if you want to take off any kind of finished baseboards or door trims or anything, this just slips right in there and pops it right off. I use it for leveling up cabinets, slip it under the cabinet, pry it up, throw a shim under there, drop it down. Yeah, this is in my little tool cart and I use it all the time. Yeah, so you can pull little finish nails with this little nail puller section. You can easily pry things and lever things up with the rounded part. This little rounded part is perfect if you want to use this as a scraper. Yeah, it's a beautiful scraper for scraping things off. Yeah, the nice thing about this bar is it makes things super easy to take things apart without damaging them. The metal is like a nice smooth metal that's not gonna scratch things. And it's super thin, so it's easy to slide it into something and then wiggle things apart and pry them. So who is this little red bar perfect for? Does your dad have hands? If so, one of his hands should have a little red bar in it. Now when you give this to your dad, he might not be over the moon. He might be like, oh, cool, little bar, looks all right. But come back in a couple months or a year even, and this thing might be on the fireplace mantle with a light shining on it. It's that good. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely think about subscribing and stick around for the outtakes coming up next. Another thing you can do with this, say you want to chop your finger off, you just clean cut, no problems there. Dumbness. For the DIY / handy dad. That's not that funny at all. These will be my top 5 suggestions. I can't even say that word right now. Suggestions. These will be my top 5 suggestions. Wow, struggling. And if you're at all, can't even say it today. It's getting pretty real in here, fellas. Well, I wonder if we got something. I feel like all those takes were pretty mediocre at best. Yeah. My life depends on trying to figure scribble I could let loose, dodging the dribble that they trying to throw my way. I think I figured that them figures out to get you. Let them pull the strings that trigger what you say. Think it's difficult to get out on my brain. I wish life wasn't any other way, but it's all side roads to nowhere, and I can't find a map that seemed to mark my place. My heart frigid when it sit inside that cold air that exists between our lack to say. But I always wanna spend my time with you, even when I'm whacking, got no change. You still sticking here with me. Yeah, you still sticking here with me. And I just wanted to say thank you.